Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna present to you Bob. Bob is my friend. It's my little friend. Not little, it's quite big. Today I'm gonna show you how I use lights in my studio. I'm not gonna use continuous lights. I'm gonna use flash. So we have Bob here. In the back I have one light. This is a continuous light. It's not a flash, but I use it for the background, you know? Okay, you can use a flash. I don't have another flash, but I have this light and it's good for me. Hello Bob. In this corner I have one light. It's AD200 and I use it for rim light. So I'm gonna use two of them. This one and that one. Okay, the main light is here. It's Godox AD400. So this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is the backlight. I'm gonna shoot with 85 millimeters f4, and I'm gonna film with 35 millimeter. Okay, let's shoot. For now, I'm gonna give it a shot with no light. I think you're gonna hear it. No light. It's black. Okay? Now I'm gonna use the background light. So this is the background light. You see a shape. I'm gonna trigger, and I'm gonna see something like that. If you want more light, you can go up with the light 33. Okay, if it's better, it's better. Let's see now. Much better. Okay, now I'm gonna put the rim light manually, and it's gonna be like this. Now I'm gonna put this one, and it looks like that. So you have the rim light. You see a shape, you know? Let me show you how you see without the background light. So we close the background light, and it looks like this. Pretty cool. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back, the background light. This is a Godox SL200 watts. It's a powerful one. Now I'm gonna put the main light. It's gonna look like this. Something else. One more. Something else. Now let's see how it works without the background lights, but with the main light and the rim lights. And this is without the background lights. You see there is a bit of shadow. If you want, you can use another flash to fill it up. Or I'm gonna use something like this. I'm gonna put it here, you know, and the main light is gonna flash here, and after the subject. Let's see now. Better? You see the difference? This is the difference, yes. Yeah, boy. Now you're gonna ask me, we need all of these lights? No, you don't need it. Let me show you how it works with just two lights. If you don't have a background light, you can use the, I don't know, if you shoot in the studio, you maybe need it. But if you shoot somewhere else, I mean outside, look for the background with some light. Okay, now I'm gonna stop that one and see the difference. This is without the sea lights, and this is with. This is the difference, you see? There is a difference. It's much better with. Okay, let's see it with and without, but with the background light. Put it on. I'm gonna put it on the 35 power. So this is with the rim light, this the left rim light, and this is without the rim light. You see the difference? Tell me if you like it more like this or more like this. Leave a comment. Okay, the final photo. It's the one with the fill light. This is the fill light. Okay, and I'm gonna use it this one to fill it. Much better. Okay, if you have questions, let me see them down below in the comment section. Until next time. Bye. Bye, Bob.